Hello everyone. Welcome to the installation tutorial for Plum. Now we are talking about the M1 series fuel tank cover. Let's take a look. It's very special. It is a translucent shape. Why do we need to achieve a semi-transparent state? Because the Land Rover fuel tank cover this side of the overall body side is relatively dull, especially its fuel tank cover. The original gas tank cover is a solid surface. There is no design shape. So let's optimize the stock gas cap. Everyone take a look at this gas tank cover. It's already in our surface treatment. The outer ring of our factory gas cap is a matte finished solid black. You can go for the matte surface of the black. This is the color. Everyone can also do what we are doing now. Remove this frame to spray the same color as their own body color. Its overall effect will be better. Because the entire gas tank cover it is all parts of the disassembly. It is divided into many layers. First a metal outer frame. Aluminum magnesium alloy frame set into the top of the nylon base. The badge is a real badge set. This badge is locked in our outer frame above. Also an embossed high-gloss mirror. The internal structure is made of nylon and metal parts. You can see our M1 logo. People don't have to worry about it leaking. Everyone pay attention to this layer is a seal ring. The seal corresponds exactly to the back piece. This will make the whole sealing better. And if you need to disassemble this front cover, just take off these screws at the back. Because our factory screws are black. Because it is convenient to take installation video so that everyone can see how it is installed screws. So we use this stainless steel silver screw. After removing these screws, our cover can be removed from the. Everyone can then go to the spray color. Of course people don't put this spray paint. This is an aluminum magnesium alloy part. Everyone needs to protect. The swing arm is a direct replacement for the original. This is a very delicate gas tank cap assembly, translucent. The translucent shape is also very changeable. Everyone can DIY any color, because this cover is available for everyone to paint their own. So let's start the installation now. During the installation of this fuel tank cover of ours, we need to go to the original shell to remove the first. This place below will have 3 clips. There will be another one below. Just take these cards apart. Open the inner fender after removing. You can see that we have removed this inner fender. After removal there will be a tube here. This tube also has to take it down from the side of this. Behind this we can see a heel line. Go and pull it out. After pulling out this place there will be a card to press it down. Including the side will also have one. Then there will also be a card in the upper. Finally, just go and remove it. You can see this spring. Use the tool to caulk out the plastic parts next to it. The spring is still needed. Replace this. After the fuel tank cover is removed, the original rear shell is used. Then install the original clips on our gas cap. Then mount it on the fuel tank cover base. And then in our packaging there will be this aluminum item. There will be a screw at the bottom. You go to this screw to it off. Go and put it in after you finish. People do not go to put it completely in first. Put some of it. After putting part of it, we will put the spring in. Let's go get it open. Open and press this spring in. This pin goes to the bottom to put. Then screw this screw and gasket on. As you can see, we have this gas tank cover now assembled. After the assembly, we first put the tube in. Open part. Installing the original rubber on the fuel filler. The way the original car is installed inside the test can be installed. The tube is stuck in the original position on the side of the car. Then install the original car line. Installed in the original location of the car. Install all the cards of the inner fender.